Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to learn how to create a new folder in Windows 11. So let's get started. First, navigate to the location where you want to create the new folder. It could be your desktop, documents, or any other directory. Once you're in the desired location, right-click on an empty space. A context menu will appear. From this menu, hover over the New option. This will open a submenu. In the submenu, click on the Folder option. This will create a new folder in your current location. You'll notice that the new folder is named New Folder by default, and the name is highlighted, indicating that you can rename it. To rename the folder, simply start typing the desired name and press Enter when you're done. And that's it. You've just created and named a new folder in Windows 11. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.